you want to get in the first time that they all become on a buy signal or all become on a sell signal. Again, the dot is the 1 minute. If it's either blue or red, it's one or the other. The cross is the 2 minute. The arrow is the 3 minute. Again, they're either blue or red. They can't be both. So we'd have a buy signal here on a triple buy signal to start today. We pick up the 2 points because we always trade two contracts, but then we lose 2 points on the second contract because we wait for 2 green in a row and we put the stop 1 point below the lower of the 2 green bars. So it's basically a break-even trade. So we'll call that a break-even trade. It's a very narrow trading range today. There was lack of any kind of trend or movement. It was just a really, really sideways, choppy, just a difficult day to make money because there weren't many moves. And normally the market gives you a couple of big moves a day, as last week was a fantastic week. Not today, market didn't allow anybody really to do much today. It just was that kind of day. Luckily, we have the no trade zones that keep us out of trouble. That's really important. That really helped. Like here's an example of a no trade zone. You got both buy and sell signals at the same time. You've got red and blue. You got 3 minute and 1 minute sell, the dot and the arrow, but you got a 2 minute buy, the blue crosses. So when there's a mix of red and blue on the chart, it just simply means stay away. It's too much risk. So we've got a triple buy signal right here, losing trade. We hit the 2 points, because right there, we hit the 2 points on the first contract, but on the second contract, when we put the stop about 1 point below the double green, we lose. So we lost a couple points on that trade right there. No sweet spot here because you have red oscillator. You have to have triple red, triple blue. We had a losing trade here because that's a valid, any one of these blue bars is a valid triple buy signal. And we put the stop 1 point below the bottom of that triple buy signal. It's a small loss, but we did lose 2 points on that trade. And then we come back, we had a nice winner here, the sweet spot, which is a pull, which means the prices first hit the blue dots, the next blue bar, after hitting the blue dot, and a blue oscillator, and a blue 3 minute buy signal, blue 2 minute buy signal, and a blue 1 minute buy signal, which you had all along here. So that was a good trade right there. We picked up the 2 points in just a couple minutes. And then on the second contract, double green, your stop goes right down here. Never hit it, kept going up. Double green, still never hit it. Double green, and then a stop out there. So pick up 8 points, a little over actually, 9 points on the, 10 points actually. 2 points on the first contract, 8 on the second. That's about 10 points. Let's just call it 9 for plus 450 on that trade right there. So that helps to makes up for some of the earlier losses. But here's the perfect example of what I talk about, how much we literally save hundreds of dollars every day by knowing when not to trade. And that's a perfect example right there. That's a choppy, sideways, ugly mess. And we didn't have a trade because we had we never had triple buy till right over here. There we do have it because we have a perfect sweet spot anyhow. It's a blue dot. You got a 1 minute, a 2 minute, a 3 minute, and a blue oscillator. In this trade here, we won 2 points. Hit your 2 point goal right about there. And then on a second contract, we broke even. So, 2 points is okay. We do have a sweet spot here. We got 2 points on the first contract, and then we lost the 2 on the second. Now, this was a very quick move, very difficult to pick up. Yes, the software does clearly pick up triple red, and that's a sell signal. But you and I, we have to trade it in real time, and that moved really fast. And by time the end of this price bar came, you were just too far away from the red dot. So even though the software shown a really nice winning trade there, in reality, that would have been a tough one to pick up. Anybody who did, good job. You nailed it. So yeah, would be a losing day today on the whole. we lost a little bit, not too terrible, but that it is what it is. Coming off of an absolutely just fantastic month so far in October. I don't believe we've had a losing day using these same simple trading rules. But today was one of them. So it's going to happen. I can promise you, it's not going to be perfect and win every single day. 300 days a year, and never have a losing trade. That would be a complete impossibility. Anybody tells you that, run the other way. Going on to the longer term.